You might have heard this very intriguing statement by the Reserve Bank of India's governor. He said that the stock market is a bubble right now. And in a time like this, how can an investor who's already invested in the stock markets, in the shares, in mutual funds, in other financial products, who's reaping the benefits, making a lot of gains, especially in a time like this, what should a person like this do? This is something I really want to discuss with you because this is something that can drastically change your financial life. Hi, my name is Arpit Arora. I'm India's leading personal finance expert and passive income coach. I'm also the co-founder of Trendlines, which is a SEBI-registered research analyst. Our objective of this business is to help you make wiser and smarter financial decisions. So when it comes to the equity markets, the stock markets, we are looking at RBI's governor calling it a very big bubble right now. A lot of people have made money from this, but at the same time, is this a time to stop? What should they do? Because I want to share something very, very crazy with you. I want to share a crazy strategy with you, a crazy strategy that can help you to still make all the gains that are possible from the stock markets. Yet in case if it falls, you are completely unaffected. Is that possible? Is that real? That is 100%, and that is exactly what I want to share with you in this very video. So the crazy strategy, the crazy idea is called options hedging. For some of you, options is something people use for trading, speculating, making quick money. No, I'm not talking about that right now. I'm talking about options, using that as a strategy, as a tool to hedge your existing equity positions. If you would not know, options and futures were originally created to use it as a hedge only. But the financial markets do allow people to invest or rather trade into them for speculation as well. But that is not something I am preaching to you right now. I'm only talking about ensuring that you use this in such a way that it becomes a tool for you to retain your profits and still make profits in case the markets continue to go up. So let's talk about how does options hedging work. I want to give you an example first. Your car insurance. Now, when you buy a brand new car, let's say the car is worth 15 lakhs. How much hedge, how much insurance do you get the car for? For 15 lakhs only, right? Now, in the same scenario, in case your car gets dented, accident happens, or any kind of damage happens to the car, what do you get? Full compensation. In case your car continues to drive the way it is, no, it has not been affected in any way, you continue to enjoy the benefits of it, right? Same way, you pay a premium for the car insurance, the same way you will pay a premium for options hedging. This is done using your demat account in the financial markets. You purchase an option. This option as a financial instrument creates a hedge for you. This hedge will ensure that whatever the price of the index goes up from this current level or from the level of from where you hedged, whatever gains that happens is a total profit for you. In case the markets goes down, it tanks, you are completely unaffected because of it. All the compensation is given to you. So isn't that amazing? That is also something that you can do by paying a small fees as a premium, and that will ensure that this is something you can experience in your life as well. So how does this work? How can you use it? What are the specifics? Because the idea I'm sure is looking terrific, but how does this come into picture is what I want to share with you in the screen in front of you right now. Here we go. So let's have a look at this. I am talking about using a minimum value of 7,50,000 to hedge or cover. Like the value of a car is 15 lakhs. Here my assumption is that you have at least 7,50,000 invested in the equity markets. Now, another factor to take into consideration is that 7,50,000 is the minimum value to hedge starting the 1st of July 2021. Currently, when I'm making this video, we're in June, and the minimum value to hedge is 22,50,000, which not a lot of people have that much stake. So you need to wait until 1st of July or have a minimum investment of existing investment of 22,50,000 in equity markets. The premium for 7.5 lakhs approximate hedge comes out to be about 45,000 rupees. This is the premium that you have to pay to be able to buy the premium, to buy the options hedge. Now, I want you to understand the absolute cost is somewhere in the region of 5.5 to 6% for this. You can call it 6% as of current date. And the yearly cost, if you want to hedge till 2023, is 2.3%. So this 2.3, 2.4% is effective yearly cost. And the calculations that we have made is on the basis of using the option of covering yourself until December 2023 only. Only if you commit to that longer period, that is why the cost is very low. That is how the yearly annualized cost is about 2.3, 2.4, or an absolute cost of under 6%. We are talking all of these things on a day when the Nifty is at 15,800 levels as well. So these are the things to take into consideration. So if this is a reality for you, question is, what should you do? So we need to understand how to take this into the consideration of our circumstances, and that is exactly what I want to share with you next. So I'm going to take you on my screen. I'm going to show you what are the different options available for you. Let's assume that you have invested in mutual funds, ELSS, stocks, index ETFs, PMS, or equity EIF. Any of these, if the value is more than 7.5 lakhs from the 1st of July or 22.5 lakhs as of today, then you should definitely consider hedging. That is the first suggestion that we have for you, the method that I've already shared with you. In case you're not able to do that, you should start exiting your existing positions in equity, because after knowing this, not taking action is not an option. There is one more amazing thing that I did not tell you, and this was the fact that when you buy an insurance, you are paying the full premium value and you're not getting it back even if you sell your car. There is no refund happening here, right? In case you buy this option, let's say you pay 45,000 and 6 months later you don't want this option. So whatever the remaining value of the option, let's say this 45,000 is now worth 30,000. So you will get this 30,000 back, because if the markets have dropped and you don't want to be in hedge anymore, you can cancel the hedge prematurely. In fact, you can cancel it at any given point. And whatever remaining value, the remainder value is left of the hedge is what you're going to get back. So you'll only actually end up paying that sort of amount for which you were covered for, and for that period of time on a pro rata and a market condition basis. This makes it really crazy, because you don't necessarily have to wait till December 2022, 23 rather, and wait for the entire fall. It could happen tomorrow, it could happen in 6 months or 1 year, and only for that period you stay hedged, and after that you can cancel the hedge and take your money back as well, whatever remaining value there is. So that ways, not only are you reducing your cost, not only are you covering your downside risk, and still be able to enjoy any side of upsides the equity market will give you while you're in the hedge as well. Up or going down, you are unaffected. This is what the hedge is creating for you. That too on a time value basis, that too by paying such a small fees, and that too in a crazy time like this. So taking action on this is a must. I really hope you found this video really interesting and exciting. If you are an equity investor, this is super useful for you. If you're someone who's just starting out, you can continue investing your monthly investments into equity markets. That's still perfectly fine. Even in case you're going for this, you can still continue to do your monthly SIPs. So with that, I hope you enjoyed tremendously from this. You learned tremendously from this. For more such videos, follow my channel and ensure you always keep on upgrading your financial IQ. See you very soon.